Hello student, welcome to today's session on the question of the day. Today is the 14th April and we are going to discuss another important question from the topic SQL functions. So let's get started, and the question will be on your screen within a second. So this is the question of the day. We have already solved such question before also, so it's a kind of a repetition of this question, but the numbers were different whenever we solved it last time, so I am solving it again for you. So it is a 2-mark question and has the internal choice. You may attempt the first question or you may attempt this question. So I think this second portion will be easier to attend in comparison to the question that is given above, because in that question you need to write a lot of an example. You have to also write, so example is given here. If you know the how to write the example, then you can solve this question also. This question is easy and you can get the marks very easily. So let's discuss the both question. First I am discussing the first portion of this question. Briefly explain the purpose of the following SQL functions. SQL functions are given like power function and mode function. You need to define those and give their purpose. So first I am giving the purpose of the power function. So power function is a, how you will write power function, it is a single row mathematical function which performs x raised to y, that is x raised to y, for the given numbers x and y. Okay, it takes two number x and y as input and returns the x raised to power as output. Both input and output will be numeric. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. For example, what you will write, power of x comma y, or you can write it x power y, or you can write power of 2 comma 3, that will be written as 2 raised to power 3, and that will be 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. So this way you can write the answer of the first portion. You will get the 1 mark for that much if you write. And another portion is given as a mode function, so I am roughing it and writing the answer for the mode function again. So mode function, it is a single row mathematical function which is used to get the remainder when a number m is divided by n. Here m is divisor and n is dividend. Okay, so for example, mode of 5 comma 2 will be 1. How? If you divide the 5 by 2, then you will get the remainder 2 to the 4, 1, that is all remainder. This is called remainder. Okay, so we are getting the remainder as 1. For example, mode of 10 comma 5, then it will be 0, because if we divide the 10 by 5, then 5 to the 10, remainder will be 0. So that way you can give the example. Okay, so it is a single row mathematical function which is used to get the remainder when a number m is divided by the number n. Here m is the divisor and n is the dividend. Okay, So divisor is a number which is basically used to divide a number, and dividend is a number which is divided by the divisor. So here 5 in this case of example 5 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay, and 1, this one is remainder, I have already told you, and this 2 is quotient. So that terminology you should know. Okay, so this way you can define this mode function purpose. Now we will see the or portion of this question. If you write the answer which I have written, or you may use the different language as per your convenience, you can write the language, because writing cannot be like remembered. Okay, you need not to by heart whatever I have written here. You just know this is a single row function, this is a mathematical function which take two numbers as input, and if you divide one number by another number, then whatever the remainder we get, that will be the output. So that you need to write, and you need to write example this way. Now I am trying to solve this or portion. Or portion, first question, select power 6 comma 2. So power function, as we have seen in theory portion, 6 comma 2, that means 6 raised to power 2, that means 6 into 6, 2 times it will imply 6 6 is 36. So its output will be 36. And second portion output will be power mode 10 comma 5, mode 10 comma 10.5 comma 3. In that case what we need to do, we need to divide 10.5 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So whatever the remainder there, 1.5. So the remainder will be 1.5 here. So remainder, whenever we dividing the dividend by the divisor fully, then whatever we got as a remainder, that is known as remainder. If the dividend is like floating point number or decimal number, then the remainder will also be decimal or floating point number. So this way the output for this question will be 1.5. Okay, so this way you can answer this question, very easy to answer. So both the questions I have answered. In that it will be easy to answer this question or portion, because you need to write that much only. If this is the correct, or you can write this way also, power and 6 comma 2, like this box you can create and write 36 below that box. This way that will be more pretty. And in the mode case, what you can write 10 point let's say 5 comma 3, and then you will write 1.5 here, 1.5, and make this box. So this way you can also answer. So both way fine. If you like write like this, it is also correct. If you like this way, it is also correct, but it is looks pretty good in the while you write this way in the answer sheet. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much, and see, if you like this video, please press on the like button and share it with your classmates so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you so much. See you in the next session with another important question from this SQL functions topic.